Hello everyone, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambi International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So kids, today we are going to start a new chapter which name is Natural Disaster. It's your chapter 6 in English textbook. So kids, let's start the chapter Nuclear Disaster. The chapter name is, the stanza name is The Ghost Town. The world's worst nuclear accident happened in 26 अप्रैल 1986. वर्ल्ड का सबसे हॉरिबल न्यूक्लियर एक्सीडेंट हुआ था 26 अप्रैल 1986 at about 1:23 a.m. that day. There was an explosion in a reactor at the Chernobyl न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट इन नॉर्थन यूक्रेन में चर्बोनिल न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट में बहुत ही हॉरिबल, बहुत ही भयानक एक्सप्लोजन हुआ था. डार्क पॉइजनस क्लाउड्स एनवेलप्ड द टाउन ऑफ प्रीपेड लोकेटेड अबाउट 2 किलोमीटर्स अवे. सो जब वो एक्सप्लोजन हुआ था उस पावर प्लांट में, जब एक्सप्लोजन हुआ था उसका जो स्मोक था, उसका जो केमिकल था वो पूरे एरिया में फैल चुका था. The following story is told by a woman named Nadezhda. So this story started with the woman named Nadezhda. It happened late night. Now she described that it happened late on Friday night. That morning, no one suspected anything. I sent my son to school and my husband went to barber's. And that night on Friday, there was nothing heard. And that morning, no one suspected anything. किसी को कुछ भी उस टाइम पता नहीं चला था कि हो क्या रहा है. And he sent to his son and husband to barber's and son to school. I was preparing lunch when my husband came back. There's some sort of fire at the nuclear plant, he said. And when she was preparing lunch, his husband came and said that he said that there is some sort of fire at the nuclear plant. वहाँ पे nuclear plant में उन्होंने कुछ फायर को निकलते हुए देखा है. They are saying we are not to turn off the radio. वो कह रहे हैं that we are not turn off the radio just to gathering some information. If they turn off the radio, they won't able to get the information which is coming from the nuclear power plant. That's why I forgot to say that we lived in prepared near the reactor. His husband was saying that he forgot to tell the employers that they lived in prepared near the reactor. I can still see the bright crimson glow. His husband was saying that he can see the red fire, the red light was coming out of the power plant. It was like the reactor was glowing. This wasn't any ordinary fire. It was some sort of shining light. It was pretty and I had never seen anything like it in flames. He was saying that he never seen like this kind of fire ever. We were on the 9th floor and had a great view. People brought their children out, picked them up and said, "Look, remember." And they were on 9th floor and they saw the clear scenario, and they saw that the people brought their children out and picked them up and said, "Look and remember." People who worked at the plant, engineers, workers, physics instructors, stood in the black dust breathing, wondering at it. And he was watching them. He was watching the working man in the plant, the engineers, the workers, physics instructor stood in the black dust because explosion हुआ था, तो they were covered in the black dust and breathing, wondering at it. They were just shocked with the explosion. There was a strange smell और वहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा strange smell भी आ रही थी because of the chemical. My throat tickled and tears came to my eyes. I didn't sleep all night and I heard the neighbors walking around upstairs also not sleeping, and they were just shockingness all over, and they couldn't sleep, and their neighbors also couldn't sleep all the night. were carrying stuff around, bagging things. Maybe they were packing their belongings. So she was thinking that they were carrying stuff. They were carrying stuff around. वो अपना सामान बांध रहे हैं, bagging things, बहुत ज़्यादा heavy things वो अब ले रहे हैं. Maybe they were packing their belongings. हो सकता है they were packing their luggage. They were packing their belonging and moved out there. In the morning, I got up and looked around. I remember feeling something isn't right. Something has changed forever. In the morning, when she got up and looked around, she thought she has a feeling that something is not right and something has changed forever. हमेशा हमेशा के लिए कुछ change होने वाला है. And what was the change? At 8 that morning, there were already military people on the street and gas masks. It calmed us down. There were all the military people with the gas mask, and he was trying to calm the people. Since the army had come to our aid, जब तक कि मिलिट्री पीपल जब तक कि उनको काम करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उनको शांत करने की ट्राई कर रहे थे, जब तक कि आर्मी फोर्सेस नहीं आ गई थी उनको एड करने के लिए, फर्स्ट एड करने के लिए, एवरीथिंग वुड बी फाइन. वी डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड दैन दैट द पीसफुल एटम could kill that man is helpless before the laws of physics. She was saying that she and their people never understand that the peaceful atom, कि इतना peaceful atom भी, इतना छोटा सा atom भी could kill thousands of people, can spread poison all over. All day on the radio, they were telling people to prepare for an evacuation. All day on the radio, the employers were saying that be prepared because there is no longer considered as safe, because यहाँ पे रुकना अब safe नहीं है. They would take us for 3 days and wash everything and check it and examine them. The kids were told to take their school books. My husband put our documents and our wedding photos into his briefcase. Our bus stopped overnight in a village. People slept on the floor in a school, others in a club. There was nowhere to go. And बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पे रश हो चुका था, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो गई थी, because they did not have their own home, and so they slept in the floor of a school and somewhere in the club. And there's nowhere to go. One woman invited us to sleep at her house. Come in, she said. Her friends started dragging her away from us. Are you crazy? They are contaminated. One of the women was invited them into their house, but one of her friend was dragging her away from us because he was saying that they are contaminated, they are poisonous. When we settled in Mogilev and our son started school, he came back the first day in tears. When he started a school in a new city, he came back at his home in a first day in tears, with tears in his eyes. They put him next to a girl who said she didn't want to sit with him. जब वो किसी एक लड़की के साथ बैठा तो उसने मना कर दिया उसके साथ बैठने से, because सबको वो न्यूज़ पता था, सबको ये पता था कि that they are poisonous. The other children were afraid of him, so बाकी जो बच्चे थे वो भी उससे डर रहे थे. I often dream that I am riding through sunny prepared with my son. It's a ghost town now. We are riding through and looking at the roses. I am young and son is little, and in the dream I have forgotten all the fears. In this paragraph, she is saying that she often dream about the city where they live, where they used to live. She is saying that she is young and the son is still little, and in the dream I have forgotten all the fears. And she is saying that in the dreams we have forgotten all the fears, we have forgotten the incident which affected all of us. Now it's a ghost town now. She is saying, she is describing the prepared that it's a ghost town now. So has been ended. Thank you.